Hello guys, are you writing email marketing copy that's just not getting the conversions you need? Getting your email marketing strategy right is both an art and a science. Part of both is understanding how to create high-converting copy. The good news is that by the time you've finished reading this guide, you'll know the secrets of improving conversions from email marketing so that you can get more leads and sales. By the by, if you are new to our channel, please do not hesitate to subscribe, like and share and comment and press the bell icon to our channel so that you can get immediate updates. The links are given below in the description. Please click to get the #1 product for email marketing. Now, let us jump into the video. First, you need to write a killer subject line. If you're wondering how to do email marketing right, the best place to start is with the email subject line. Perfecting the subject line can be the difference between recipients opening your email, deleting it, or, even worse, reporting it as spam. People open your emails if they feel they will benefit, if they're worried about missing out, or if you present compelling evidence about why they should. 2. Nail the preview text with modern email clients. It's not just the subject line that sells people on opening your email. It's also the preview text. That's the piece of text that tells subscribers more about the content of your email. Often, this shows part of the first line of the email. That's fine, as most email copywriters craft this carefully. But if your preview text shows instructions on how to read the email online or unclickable links to your social media profiles, then you're wasting an opportunity. With email preview text ranging from 35 to 140 characters, depending on the client, this is an aspect of your email you can't afford to neglect. 3. Write for the web. Writing email marketing copy is similar to writing web copy. That means it's important to follow a logical structure. Keep paragraphs short. Include one main idea per paragraph. Feel free to use bullets and subheadings to break up blocks of text and make your emails scannable. 4. Don't shout, it's spammy. Avoid all caps and multiple exclamation marks in both the subject line and body of the email. Not only are all caps the equivalent of shouting online, but overusing them screams spammy email marketing. That'll hurt your email open rate. And if enough subscribers report you, it could also hurt your email deliverability or even get you blacklisted by your email newsletter service. 5. Know your audience. Getting to know your audience so you can write email marketing copy that meets their needs is a great way to boost conversions. Use what you know from web and social analytics and interactions with customers to build your buyer personas or customer avatars. When you know your customers, it's easy to write email marketing copy that makes them want to click. 6. Write email marketing copy for readers. If you really want readers to click, then you have to sound like a real person. Avoid marketing speak and be conversational, as if you're talking to someone who's sitting across the table from you. Don't be boring. There's no rule that says that emails from a business have to be dry. Use your emails to stir readers' imagination by sharing an insider's view of your company, customer stories, or even a personal anecdote. When your subscribers can imagine themselves in your shoes, you'll start to build a relationship with them. 7. Choose the right words. When you look at the best email copy examples, one thing stands out. Word choice is crucial to make reading your email a great experience, and since most emails are short, every word counts. If you want to stir readers' imagination, appeal to their emotions and get them to take action, you've got to use analogies and other literary techniques. Seed your email marketing copy with sensory words to help them see and feel the picture you're painting with your words. In an ideal world, you'll evoke touch and taste, too. Stir up your readers and convey action by using power words in your subject line, copy, and call to action, CTA. What you don't say is also important for building trust. Avoid making false promises and other sleazy marketing tactics, or you risk losing subscribers forever. 8. Use psychology in email marketing strategy. As human beings, our brains are wired to react in predictable ways to certain types of input. That's why using psychology can help you create more successful, high-converting email marketing copy. Some of the factors that make readers read and click include fear of missing out, FOMO, because we never want to lose anything. That's why time-limited discounts work so well. Use scarcity and urgency in your email and more people will click. That applies to curiosity, too. Color choice, since different colors elicit different reactions. You can use this effectively in CTA buttons, for example. Pictures of faces can elicit the emotions shown on those faces or direct the gaze towards a CTA. Social proof tells readers that people like them think you're great, which makes them more inclined to read your emails. There's also personalization. Check out our guide to using psychology in email marketing for more help with this. 9. Be relevant. Avoid generic marketing in favor of targeted marketing. Customer avatars give you broad segments you can focus on in copywriting, but within those, there are also smaller segments. After all, you're not going to send the same email to a new subscriber as to a repeat customer, are you? Sending relevant email improves open and click-through rates, so segmentation is essential. Read our pro tips on email list segmentation to help with this. 10. Know your goals. Still on the subject of targeting, it's best practice to have a single goal, the one thing you want to achieve for each email. This will help you focus your marketing copy, which we'll talk about more in the next tip. Remember, if you have multiple goals, you don't really have a goal, so when planning your emails, focus on the key action you want readers to take and build your email copy around that. Not every email needs to have the goal of selling something. Pro copywriter Barry Feldman says, where a web page is the terrain, the copywriter's the tour guide, instructor, concierge, maitre d', and of course, sales clerk. If the copy can't seal the deal, it must offer something compelling to start some sort of relationship. Get personal with your email marketing campaign. Let readers get to know you. Another aspect of personalization is letting subscribers know who you are. Most people like getting emails where they can see a picture of the sender and where there's a personal rather than generic sender. With the best email marketing copy, everything's aligned. Your copy delivers on the promise of the subject line, and your email delivers on the promise of the opt-in form and the landing page where subscribers signed up. Any email marketing best practices guide will advise you to reward readers for opening your email. That process starts when they open the email and see what they expect after seeing your opt-in form, landing page or subject line. Test and split test email marketing campaigns if you really want to boost conversions when writing email marketing copy. Steal great ideas, but don't worry, this kind of stealing is perfectly legal. You can get inspiration for high-converting emails by subscribing to your competitors' email marketing newsletters, or any other newsletters that interest you, to see if they're doing something that really gets attention. Add these to your own personal swipe file so you can adapt them to suit your own email marketing strategy. Otherwise, you can use the following links to get great ideas, ways to do, promote, and grow. As said before, all the links are given below in the description. Please click to get the #1 product for email marketing. Thank you so much.